Okay, so hi dear Aries, very good evening to you guys. This is 7 day 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Aries Sun Moon Venus rising from today till the 25th of May, one message per day. And want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and self-love course too, links are given below in the description box. These here are kind of killing me. Yeah. Let's see for Aries what are the messages for 7 days. Oshos and Tarot messages for Aries people. We are shooting a short reel series today, so that's why I'm looking like this. Thank you. I know I'm looking pretty. 19th, we have the Creator. So if you are planning to start something, especially in your spiritual realm or on your spiritual path, this is the time for you to start it, because the universe got your back. The Creator is there for you guys. The whole existence is going to bless you with a beautiful path ahead of you. So start that journey if you are planning to do that. 20th, we have the Miser. Now on the 20th of May, you are going to have this energy of being in a lack mindset or holding on to something very tightly, something or someone, because you are in this energy of I'm never letting go of this situation, or I don't have enough to share with others. So you have to have the abundance mindset here. So the more you are going to be in the miserable energy, the more you are going to attract these kind of miserable energies towards you. Okay. 21st, we have the breakthrough. You are going to find a solution to a problem, and or you are going to have a breakthrough suddenly out of the blue. When you will be least expecting to find some kind of solution to a problem, you are going to find it, and you are going to feel like, okay, this is something huge, this is something big. So breakthrough is basically either you will be able to get out of a situation that you were stuck on on from a very long time, and or you will be able to find a solution to a problem that you are facing. 19, 20, 21st. 22nd, we have the consciousness. Now your consciousness is, or your awareness is going to enhance in some way. The more you are going to again work on your spiritual things, the more your consciousness is going to aware. And this week is very supportive for you guys. The more you are going to practice mindfulness and awareness, the more your consciousness is going to enhance, and the more your spiritual growth is going to happen. 20, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, a lot of 20s. Politics. So Aries, beware of people, things or situations that are making you feel a certain way, but they are not exactly what they are telling you that they are. Yeah, the people especially. So there might be some kind of office politics, or people around you are trying to manipulate you in order to get something out of you. So try not to overshare, try not to overtrust, and be in your own energies as much as you can on this particular day. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Sorrow. Now, in order to achieve something in your life that you think is not a normal thing to do, like normal people don't do that, you don't have to isolate yourself from everything and everyone. You don't have to suffer like crazy. You can definitely achieve something whatever you want by staying connected to people, things, and situations that makes you happy. That keeps you going. So you don't have to create this kind of pain forcibly in order to achieve something. You can achieve that thing by being happy, also by being with others also, right? That's the deal here. My god, these here killing me. 25th, we have the control. Aries, this is kind of going to be a very heavy week for you personally, because you are going to feel a little bit of lack of things. People are going to play mind games with you, and then control. You are going to have this tendency of trying to control each and everything in your life and trying to make life go a certain way. It's impossible. It's never going to happen. You have to release the control in order to have peace. It's either control or peace. So in order to have the peace that you want as a human, as a soul, you have to let go of the control, because even if you think you can control certain things in your life or people, situations, you cannot. It's kind of impossible, right? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.